How to turn on or turn off key borders on Grammarly keyboard. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the key borders. So all what you have to do is go to Grammarly. Now this is the home page. Go to the first option, click on keyboard customization, and it will take you to this page. Now go down and you will find key borders option. You can enable it or disable it from here. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.